Oh my gosh. What's up, Big Bang Gang, bro? Today has just not been my day, man. First off, work was crazy. I tried to take a lunch break. I dropped my food. Driving back from my lunch break, bro, I'm in my garage.
Here in my garage, just bought this new Lamborghini here.
This is the first time I ever drove this way in my garage. I usually back up and use my backup camera. So I'm driving. Y'all know the Mustangs are long in the front, bro. This thing tore my car up, bro. Do y'all see this right now, bro? Bruh. Oh my word. This ain't no get it out like type deal, bro. Wait, maybe it is. Dang, bro. Regardless, man, I think I'm gonna just go get a new front bumper or see if somebody can like sand this joint and paint it. But look, it's like man, heck no. I'm just about to get a new bumper. It didn't loosen anything, but I still, come on, bro.
Come back, we're gonna work on it, okay?
How the fuck did I hit that? That's some goofy. I'm so goofy, bro. This is the worst Friday ever, bro. I don't even want to wash the car no more, bro. It's crazy. My bike's still over there. Bike good. Bike good. My baby, dog. Look at this Jordan, bro. It's standing out so bad, bro. I think I'm gonna just get some touch-up paint until I can get this joint fixed, cause that joint stand out way too much, bro. Ain't no way. Anyway, I'm about to see if I can get like a cost estimate. I already priced. Let me roll my windows down. I already priced a front bumper for the joint. It was like 120 bucks. I thought it was gonna be like at least like 3-4. But I'm about to go to Mako and see how much they charge to paint it if I buy it, or can they sand it and paint it and make it look good. But I'm thinking I'm probably just gonna buy a new bumper, bro. It's just $120. But that's how my Friday's starting off, man. It's a week. Anyway, y'all, I hope y'all Friday go way better than mine, man. Peace out, bro. On the way to Mako, man. I think I know where one is. I ain't even put it in my GPS, but I think I know where one is. Hopefully, man, they don't try to tax me, bro. Cause I really ain't trying to drop all that bread on this little mark. Like I said, 120 for a whole front bumper, that ain't bad at all. But it's the paint that's gonna get me, I think. So I'm gonna ask them, when we get over here, I'm gonna ask them and see if they can sand it down and make it look like it once was. And then just gloss it over, like put the paint on it and gloss it over. Or would it just be easier to just get a whole new bumper? I don't know. It's always something, bro. I ain't even put rims on the car yet. I'm already messing it up. Anyway, y'all say a prayer for me. Ain't nothing wrong with me. Something wrong with the car. But prayer is good to have on you, man. Y'all pray for me, I pray for y'all. Alright, y'all. So I'm at Mako, bro. See what they talking about. I ain't no dummy, so I ain't about to get shot across the head with no price. I'm gonna let y'all see this joint in the sun, bro. That joint looks horrible. Yeah, I can't do that, bro. Heck nah. Heck no. Alright, y'all, so I'm leaving Mako right now. And just to repair, I ain't hear nothing else. Just to repair, like sand that spot out, add whatever they need to add to it, and like finish it like it's already finished. It was like $611 and a penny. So I'm gonna keep shopping around. It's Mako, so like they're like the best of the best, I heard. But I'm gonna keep shopping around until I find a nice little bid and a reasonable price to fix it. I'm gonna probably do some touch-up paint. I really don't want to do the touch-up paint because I probably get like stagnant and just like be like, oh man, this is it even worth fixing after I cover it up with the touch-up paint. But I want my joint to look smooth. Like I want it to look like it was like it was before I hit the freaking crap in the garage. But yeah, man, I knew Mako was on some mess like that. This one dude, I don't know if y'all seen that car that was beside my car. It was like a little Cabot, had rust everywhere. Bro, they charged that man, they told him like $2,500 just like to give him a base coat and get the rust off. Well, I know rusting and sanding is probably like a pretty good labor job, but bro, for that car's so old. I'm like, man, you better paint that joint yourself. But hey, he probably got money, man. I don't know. Anyway, y'all, that's the story for today, man. Friday is not going that good, man. But anyway, I hope you, like I said earlier, I hope y'all have a good Friday, man. Mine's is looking like $611 right now, but I'm gonna keep shopping. I'm gonna look up some more shops when I get home. If y'all know any good paint shops in the Kansas City area, bro, let the kiddo know, man. Because I'm out here just losing money by the second. About to start. Never mind. Y'all have a good one, bro. Ever again, I will not drive in there forward ever again. I'm gonna back my tail up from here on out. Yes, sir. You will not see me back there driving forward in there again. No, sir. No, sirree. Look, I'll be getting close with the daggone backup camera.